It's been very cold here in Michigan lately, and we've been getting some snow. It was -1 this morning Fahrenheit. I got my Bolens tractor here that I just can't seem to get started. It's a little 3-cylinder diesel. She won't fire up. Battery charger on right now, make sure I got a good full charge. And I just bought this Cat's magnetic heater from Tractor Supply. It was $38. I'm going to do a little review here and stick it to the oil pan on my tractor and see how she works. Take it out of the package and just stick it to the bottom of the oil pan. 120 volt, 200 watts, Cat's heaters, Handy Heat, part number 1153. They do have some bigger ones, but this little tractor, the oil pan's so small that I don't know if a bigger one would stick to it very well. So, put it right there on the bottom. Well, I'm just going to plug it in and give it a couple hours and see what happens. Hey, puppy. Just so cold here. I can't get the latches open on my Jeep. I need to hook the battery cables up to the tractor, because that battery is just not holding the charge here long enough to get this thing started. The block heater, it's warm, it's doing its job, but it might take quite a while to warm up that whole oil pan. It's been on there for 3 hours probably now, but it only rolled over a few times. The battery died, so try to get these jumper cables on it and we'll see what happens. Well, finally, that took a lot of doing. That little block heater from Tractor Supply really helped, warmed up the oil. The battery jumper cables on it with the Jeep finally got it to roll over fast enough to get it started. Now I can plow snow.